Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage e-commerce with Amazon easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin managing your e-commerce business on Amazon, start by creating a seller account. Visit the Amazon Services website and click on the Start Selling button. Choose between an individual or professional seller plan based on your needs. Fill in the required information, including your business name, contact details, and bank account information. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the Seller's Central dashboard. This will be your main hub for managing listings, orders, and customer service. Next, create your product listings by navigating to the Inventory section. Select Add a product to either list a new item or match it with existing products. Provide essential details such as product title, description, and images. Make sure to set competitive prices that will attract buyers. After your products are listed, monitor your inventory regularly. Use the Inventory Reports feature to keep track of stock levels. Adjust your listings and inventory based on sales trends and seasonal changes. For marketing, utilize Amazon's advertising options like sponsored products. Create targeted campaigns to increase visibility for your listings. Additionally, consider enrolling in Amazon Prime to attract more customers. Keep an eye on your customer feedback and ratings in the Performance section. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve issues professionally. Track your sales and expenses using the Reports section to understand your profitability. Regularly analyze your performance metrics to refine your strategies. Explore Amazon's tools, like FBA, which can handle storage and shipping for you. Continuously educate yourself about Amazon policies and marketplace trends. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your e-commerce business on Amazon. Stay organized and proactive for long-term success in the competitive online marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.